How's it going, guys? So, making this video to clear up some confusion, because there seems to be quite a bit of confusion going on around some of the BIGFOOT Blue Chrome Chases. So, everybody, for some reason, thinks that this is the Super Chase. This is actually not the Super Chase. This is the Walmart edition, or Wal-Mart Blue Chrome Chase of the BIGFOOT. It is the only chase in this release. I'm hoping to do another video on the Moonshiner, which everybody for some reason thinks Walmart or is a Walmart exclusive for Blue Chase one. It is not. It's just a regular monster truck. But this is the Walmart Chase for this release. And the biggest difference that I can tell between the two, between this and the Super Chase, is that this one has the blue chrome around the rim, or the rim is blue chrome. So that's the big difference. And the one on the right, this is the Super Chase for the release. So these are both the Series 16 BIGFOOT chases. There is a raw as well, and I believe that there is a green machine, so a little bit much. And if you can actually, yeah, you can tell in the video, the Walmart Chase is actually a darker blue, so it's normal Walmart blue, versus the Super Chase blue is more based off of the BIGFOOT color, and it doesn't have the rims silver or blue, they are silver. So this one on the right, this is a Super Chase. It is 1% of the run. It is incredibly rare. Well, it's 1% of the solid case packs, I believe is how the blue chromes come from. So this guy is incredibly rare. I'm guessing there's probably 50 or less of these made. So this one, crazy rare. This one is pretty mass produced actually. So this is 7% of the Walmart run. So there is a high number of these chases made. I saw when they first came out, these things were selling around $100, whatever, but they have completely crashed just because there's so many of them. And it makes sense because it's 7% of the run, so there's probably literally hundreds of these out there. So don't overspend. I'm pretty sure I got this for less than 25 shipped off of eBay in an auction. So if you really want one of the blue chrome BIGFOOT chases, this is probably the one to get, just because it is a mass-produced one, or mass-produced chase, and it'd be easier to acquire. But just because it's mass-produced doesn't mean it's not cool. This thing is wicked cool. I really love these chrome chases. So there you go. You've got these two chases, which are really cool. I like them both a lot. Kind of wish the Super Chase had the chrome rim as well. That would be really cool, but they had to differentiate them somehow. And I do like the teal color on the Super Chase versus the bottom on the Walmart one. It's darker blue, but it does match the little pillar in the back a lot more. So that's kind of cool. So just wanted to do a quick video for you guys to let you know the differences, so that way if you come across these like at a show or whatever, to know how to spend your money. So if you find the Super Chase and you find it for like $50 or less, just buy it. Like that's a really good deal on that one. I haven't seen one of these come up for sale in a while. Like they all popped up real quick on eBay or whatever, and I think I managed to snatch one from Carson Diecast, and they're gone. Like I haven't seen one listed for sale in quite a while now. Versus the Walmart Chase one, there's several popping up every single day. So if you're at a toy show and you want one as well, I wouldn't pay more than $25 for it, just because there's so many of them made. So just letting you guys know, and good luck finding them. And also this kind of lets you know which one you might want more, because you've got the darker blue for the Walmart 7% Chase run, and the light blue for the Super Chase 1%. And again, the GreenLight does these numbers based off of like that particular run. So in the case of the Super Chase, it's 1% of the solid packs of the Bigfoot that are the Super Chase. So there's not, I'm guessing there's probably not many solid packs of the number 4 Bigfoot made versus the Wal-Mart Chase that they have 7% of the Wal-Mart Run, which is probably well over 10,000 pieces. So again, there's literally probably hundreds of the Wal-Mart Chase versus the Super Chase. If I had to guess, there's less than 50. I mean, I've only seen maybe 10 for sale, but I'm sure there's more out there and probably sold at shows. So anyways, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching and happy hunting. Hey, thanks for making it to the end of this video. You can subscribe by clicking on the Vipers in the bottom right corner. See my most current video in the top right corner. The 2 videos on the left are based on your interest in this video. And make sure to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more content. And as always, happy hunting.